Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a fall transitional luxury haul for you. I picked up some amazing new pieces to add to my collection and I can't wait to show you what I got from Chanel, a new premium outerwear brand that I recently discovered and you also need to know about because their pieces are unreal. But also I got some really beautiful jewelry pieces that I can't wait to show you as well. So let's get started. Okay, I think I'm going to start with one of my favorite unboxings. I will start with the jewelry pieces that I got, and all of them are from Gingerberry. I love their packaging, by the way. I'm gonna show you everything up close. I picked up 5 new pieces from Gingerberry, and Gingerberry is a brand that I love and that I wear. I already have quite a few pieces from the brand in my collection and I just adore them. Pearls, in my opinion, are the epitome of elegance and quite a luxury, but at the same time they're also so timeless. I love buying pieces that have pearl accents. I love pearl earrings especially. So let me show you what I got inside this box, which is already empty. Did you guys notice my beautiful pearl bracelet? I'm just so in love with the color of this one. It's something very unique that I didn't have in my collection. The pearls are so iridescent, they have such a beautiful luster, and some of them are different colors. Some of them are more baby pink, others are a bit more lilac and purple. There are different shades of pink and purple. It is actually pearls on a sterling silver and the bracelet is adjustable, and at the end of the silver chain you have this adorable little heart charm. So you have 5 to 6 millimeter purple Aurora pearls, which are AA grade. The Aurora pearls are the finest type among freshwater pearls. And by the way, due to the natural characteristics of the pearls, the color of each batch may vary slightly. So if you have any color preferences, for example, more purple or more pink, you can actually leave your preferences when you're placing your order. The next piece I'm about to show you comes in this cute little box, and it is probably the most versatile one, although I love Gingerberry pieces because most of their styles are very versatile and you can wear in multiple different ways. So this is a great example. I can show you what I mean. So I picked up these beautiful little huggy gold earrings with a little pearl, and you can wear these in 3 different ways. So let me show you. Actually even more than 3 different ways. So first you can wear the earrings the way you see them now with the pearl. Then you can take off the pearl and wear just the huggies facing with the beautiful diamonds. You can also actually turn them around and just wear them plain with the gold part showing only. And perhaps the most exciting feature is that you can actually transform these earrings into a necklace. You can just thread a chain through the earring loop's hole and you have an instant and elegant necklace. In my opinion, these, because of their versatility, they're such a smart investment. Next, I picked up a necklace, and this one is called the AMITY necklace. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to add it to my collection, also to match my new earrings, which I will talk about in a bit. But I think these two paired together are such a cute look. This piece is perfect for every day, but also for an evening out. The chain is so delicate and so dainty. It is in rose gold, and we have this beautiful row of pearls. It almost looks like a smile, and the pearls are in different sizes, as you can see. The pearls have this beautiful soft luster, and actually the chain, the gold chain of the necklace, is also adjustable. All gingerberry pieces are crafted with premium materials, AAA grade pearls, 18 karat solid gold, sterling silver, natural and lab-grown diamonds. I also don't own that many pieces in rose gold, so when I saw this one I got really excited, and actually rose gold suits so many complexions. It's such a soft color. Next, let's talk about these earrings. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these. I have been wearing them non-stop since I got them. By the way, the delivery was super fast, and Gingerberry ships internationally. Also, what's amazing is that all the duties and taxes are covered, so you don't have to worry about that and paying extra upon delivery. They take care of everything. The pieces also have 3-year warranty and 30-day no questions asked return policy. You can customize many of the pieces as well. Everything comes in such luxurious packaging, which is perfect for gifting or self-treating, why not? But now with the holidays coming up, I mean, I think you need to check out Gingerberry because their prices are unreal for such high quality great pearls. They're such a good value for money. They're 1/5 of the price of Mikimoto pearls, and they're very comparable quality. Also, they're 1/3 to half of the price of mainstream brands for lab-grown diamonds. So for example, these pearl earrings are also made from 18 karat yellow solid gold, and they do not irritate my ears. They're super comfortable, very lightweight, and the design again is so beautiful. It almost looks like a necklace for your ear, especially the way you put them on. They're only £212, guys, but I also have a discount that Gingerberry kindly gave me to share with you. I have 15% off, which is also stackable with their Black Friday offer, so you can get these for such an amazing price right now. And last is probably one of the most fun pieces. I kind of wish I discovered this during the summer months because it would have been perfect. So we have this beautiful yellow gold necklace with a little shell and a tiny little pearl next to it. This is such a playful design, so beautiful again for the summer months. The little Aurora pearl is a AAA grade, and the chain is crafted from sterling silver plated with 18 karat gold. The gold color is so rich, and you can see the little texture on the shell. So these are the 5 new jewelry pieces in my collection. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'm dying to see in the comments which one do you like. And don't forget, I also have a 15% off, which is stackable with the current Black Friday deal. Alright, next let me show you what I got from Chanel. So it comes in this box, and this is from 25k, so the current fall winter collection. However, this is such a popular pair of shoes. Okay, I can tell you, it is a pair of shoes that my essay had to transfer because they were completely sold out, so I had to wait a couple of days. She found one size is still available in a different boutique, and she had to transfer this pair of shoes for me, but wait until you see them. They were definitely worth the short wait. I didn't wait that long to receive them, but I'm so glad she managed to find me a size, because at one point I was like, oh no, I missed on these, and they are so good. Okay, so let me show you what I got. Guys, you know that recently I have been obsessed with everything suede, and you also know, if you've been following my channel, that I love loafers and I also love my Loro Piana shoes as well. So these kind of give me Loro Piana vibes. I think the first time I actually spotted this style was with the pre-fall winter collection, and then because the style was so popular, they brought them back, and this time they brought them in quite a few new colors for the 25k collection. So these were available in black, in khaki, in this color, and also a lighter shade, very, very pale beige, which I also tried on in my shopping vlog, which I'll link above if you haven't watched. Initially, when I saw all the colors, I grabbed the lighter pair, but when I tried them on, they were really washing me out, and my essay suggested I try on the darker beige, and oh my god, what a difference. As soon as I tried them on, I was like, yep, these complement my skin tone so much better. They're such a beautiful neutral color that can be styled with everything. As you can see, these have a bit of a platform. They're in the most beautiful, softest suede, and we have kind of a contrasting stitching, which pops really nicely, especially against this darker beige. And check out the hardware. Oh my god, I am so in love with this beautiful champagne gold CC with the pearl detail. As you can see, today is all about pearls. I not only love pearl jewelry, but also pearl accents on my clothes, my accessories, my shoes, my bags. These loafers run quite big, so I had to size down by a full size. My normal size in Chanel loafers is 38.5. I picked these up in 37.5. So a full size down, but they're so comfortable and they're actually not as heavy. These were quite pricey. Let me find the price. Okay, actually they are cheaper than the classic loafers in leather with the quilted detailing and turn lock. The ones I have 3 pairs of those. So I paid £1,190. As I said, I sized down a little bit. But yeah, these are the new shoes. Do we love or do we love? And last, I mentioned I discovered a new outwear brand that you need to know about. It is called Hayley Menzies, and they do the most whimsical, beautiful cardigans. Oh my god, I picked up the most unreal long cardigan you have ever seen. I'm going to insert try-on clips because even if I show you it like this now, like, you won't be able to. You need to see it on, you need to see close-ups, all the details, all the beautiful colors. It has a faux fur collar, which is also removable. I love that it is removable. You kind of get 2 different looks with and without the collar. Also the buttons, these massive buttons that are covered in the knit fabric, so stunning, very statementy, but at the same time they blend in with the design, beautiful, and the colors. The cardigan, the main color, as you can see, is white, but then we have these beautiful pastels, and the reason I wanted it is because I also have so many pastel bags, colorful bags, also again with winter whites. I cannot wait to style it in the colder months with a white cashmere turtleneck. Oh, this is such a fabulous piece. I'm so glad I discovered this brand. This piece is called Written in the Stars, and as you saw, it has the beautiful moon and sun motif in like gold. It's almost like stitched with gold threads, and this piece actually comes in a shorter version. I think it comes in 3 different styles: a bomber jacket, I believe, a shorter cardigan, and this one. It's more like a coatigan actually, between a cardigan and a coat, because it is quite thick. It will keep you really warm. I'm so impressed with the quality. This brand is so fantastic, like, you need to check it out. I'm already eyeing quite a few other pieces. They have such beautiful designs. This cardigan was also available in like a darker color. There is another piece that I really want to get, a shorter cardigan in pink with beautiful like hearts on it. I'll insert pictures here. Regarding the sizing, bear in mind it runs true to size. I would say maybe even a bit oversized. I picked it up in a medium. I was a bit worried that it might pull around my chest because I have bigger chest and I always find that I have to size up, but the medium fits perfectly. The buttons don't pull. It is perfection. I'm so in love. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's luxury faux haul. Let me know which one was your favorite piece. Don't forget to check out Jewellery and their fabulous pearl timeless pieces. I do have a discount which you can see here. Everything that I showed you in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!